Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's fantastic to have you here. Today, we dive into a topic that is incredibly important for anyone over 60 who wants to feel stronger, more stable, and full of life. We're not just talking about general exercise. We're focusing on 5 specific science-backed movements that are absolute game changers for maintaining your health and independence as you age. Forget the idea that getting older means getting weaker. With the right approach, you can build strength, improve your balance, and boost your overall well-being. So, if you're ready to take control of your health journey, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about why targeted exercise is so crucial after 60. As we age, our bodies naturally go through changes. We tend to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia, and our bone density can decrease. This doesn't just affect how strong we feel. It impacts our balance, our mobility, and our ability to do everyday things we love. The good news. Recent studies consistently show that specific types of resistance and balance training can dramatically slow down and even reverse some of these changes. It's not about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about functional fitness strengthening the muscles you need for a vibrant, active life. So, the 5 exercises we're about to cover are designed with exactly that in mind. They're safe, they're effective, and you can start them right away. Our first powerhouse exercise is the chair squat. This is a fundamental movement that strengthens your entire lower body to your quads, hamstrings, and especially your glutes. These are the muscles you use every single time you stand up from a chair, get out of a car, or climb a flight of stairs. Strong legs are your foundation for stability and independence. Here is how to do it correctly. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet about shoulder width apart. Keeping your chest up and your back straight, slowly lower your hips back and down as if you're about to sit in the chair. You can lightly touch the chair for balance, or go all the way down to a seated position. The key is control. Then, push through your heels to stand back up to the starting position. Don't let your knees cave inward. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology highlighted that regular squatting significantly improves leg strength and functional mobility in older adults. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Remember, quality over quantity. If you're just starting, even 5 good reps is a great achievement. Moving on to our second exercise, which targets the upper body, the wall push-up. Maintaining upper body strength is vital for tasks like carrying groceries, lifting grandchildren, or pushing yourself up if you have a fall. The wall push-up is a brilliant, joint-friendly alternative to traditional push-ups. It works your chest, shoulders, and arms without putting stress on your wrists or back. Find a clear wall and stand a couple of feet away from it. Place your palms flat on the wall, slightly wider than your shoulders. At chest height, keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. No sagging hips. Now, slowly bend your elbows and lean your body toward the wall until your nose is close to it. Then, powerfully push back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Research from the American Council on Exercise has shown that modified push-ups like this are highly effective for building functional upper body strength in seniors. Try for 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. You can make it harder by moving your feet further from the wall, or easier by moving them closer. Our third exercise is the single leg stand. This one might sound simple, but it is one of the most effective exercises you can do for your balance. And as we know, good balance is your #1 defense against falls, which can be a major health concern as we age. Improving your proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space, is key. To do this, stand behind a sturdy chair or next to a countertop for support. Hold on lightly. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly lift the other foot off the floor. Try to hold this position for 10 seconds, then 20, and eventually work your way up to 30 seconds. Keep your standing knee slightly bent, not locked, and focused on the spot in front of you to help maintain your balance. A study in the British Medical Journal found a direct link between the inability to stand on one leg for 10 seconds and an increased risk of mortality. So, this isn't just an exercise. It's a powerful indicator of your overall health. Once you feel confident, try letting go of the support for a few seconds at a time. Do this on both legs, a couple of times each day. Now for our 4th exercise, which works the all-important back and core muscles, the bird dog. A strong core isn't just about having a flat stomach, it's about stabilizing your entire spine. This protects your back from injury and improves your posture. The bird dog is fantastic because it engages your core muscles without putting any strain on your lower back. You'll want to get on your hands and knees on a soft surface, like a carpet or a yoga mat. Position your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. This is your tabletop position. Keep your back flat and your neck in line with your spine. Imagine you have a glass of water on your back that you do and want to spit. Now, slowly extend your right arm straight out in front of you while simultaneously extending your left leg straight back behind you. Hold for a moment, focusing on keeping your torso stable. Then, slowly return to the starting position with control. Repeat on the other side, extending your left arm and right leg. That's one full rep. The journal Spine published research showing that exercises like the bird dog are excellent for improving spinal stability. Aim for 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps on each side. Go slow and focus on the movement. Finally, our 5th exercise is the glute bridge. Your gluteal muscles, or your glutes, are the largest muscles in your body, and keeping them strong is essential for pelvic stability, lower back health, and powerful walking. Many people find their glutes become weak from sitting too much, which can lead to lower back pain. The glute bridge directly targets and activates these muscles. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Place your arms by your sides with your palms down. Now, squeeze your glutes and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Avoid arching your back too much. Hold this top position for a couple of seconds, really feeling that squeeze in your glutes. Then, slowly lower your hips back down to the floor. Studies in physical therapy journals consistently recommend glute bridges for rehabilitating and preventing lower back pain by strengthening the posterior chain. Aim for 2 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. This is a subtle but incredibly powerful movement. So there you have IT5 targeted science-backed exercises to help you build strength, improve balance, and enhance your quality of life after 60. Let us do a quick recap. We have the chair squat for lower body power, the wall push-up for upper body strength, the single leg stand for rock-solid balance, the bird dog for a stable core and healthy back, and a glute bridge to activate those crucial glute muscles. The most important thing to remember is consistency. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. You don't have to do them all at once. You could do a couple in the morning and a couple in the afternoon. And always, always listen to your body. If something causes sharp pain, stop. It's better to modify the exercise or take a rest day. Before starting any new exercise program, it's a great idea to have a chat with your doctor or a physical therapist, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. They can help you tailor these movements to your specific needs. Remember, this is your journey. Every squat, every push-up, every second you balance is an investment in your future self, future where you feel strong, confident, and ready to enjoy everything life has to offer. You have the power to make a real difference in your health. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to get moving. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on healthy aging. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these exercises are you going to try first? Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.